guys. Hi guys. So today I'm Jocelyn's Home Corner, and today I'm gonna be making another slime video. So since you know, last time it kind of failed, and this is what it left. Grossness. It feels dry and weird. So today I'm gonna be trying to make different, better slime. So I have some activator that's new, and I really hope this works. So I have some shaving cream. I mean this one, because this one is full, and I have some glue. It's almost out, not like completely almost out, but close. And I have some gold flakes. I'm gonna try those out, cause that. Oh no! Here comes Everest. Don't run over this. Come around. Ever say hi? Hi everyone. My name is Everest, and I'm wondering what this is. Thank you. Okay, so next I have some bags and spoon and a bowl. So now, first I'm gonna add some glue. Add as much as you want. As much slime. And how much glue is how much slime you're gonna have, mostly. Sometimes you get a little more, so don't add way too much if you don't want a big slime. And next, I'm gonna add shaving cream. Don't add more shaving cream than you added of your glue. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. And next you're gonna, I'm going to put glitter in. You don't have to put glitter in if you don't want it, but I'm just gonna put glitter in for fun because I want this to be gold. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. Go put the top back on. What are they doing? Building, probably. Okay, so next I'm going to add probably something that I didn't mention to you. I'm pretty sure I did, but this is glitter glue, and it's iridescent, so. I have used a lot of this. Okay, put that back. So today I went to the Dollar Tree, and I bought like a new since I have like a busy. And there was this big, messy, gooey, slimy slime mess. And you guys have probably seen that since I made a video that I was showing you all my slime stuff. Next, you add activator if you haven't added any color. And if you want to add color or glitter, add it before you add the activator. Don't add a lot of activator, or else your slime will be really runny, or it will be stiff. So mix that up. Oh, I think I added not a lot of activator. I didn't add enough activator, guys. I only added like 2 drops. Oh, and this is why I don't really ever add glitter into slime, or don't add much, because it never shows up because it always blends in. So I add sometimes a tablespoon of activator, or teaspoon. I usually add a teaspoon of activator. It sometimes works, so try that before you go crazy with it. This is looking like really good fluffy slime. Fluffy baby slime is my favorite, and it's the easiest to make for me. It's hard to make slime without shaving cream for me. And there's other activators that you can use. Borax, laundry detergent, and sometimes shaving cream works, but not all the time. Yeah, this is gonna not be a fail at all. Definitely doing some work over there. Cool. I like this, but it looks a little too sticky. You don't want it to be all over your hands and you can't get it off. Wow. It's looking good. I don't add so much shaving cream though. Oh, wait, that's too sticky. I just don't think when I make slime, do I? Hold on. I might call this marshmallow slime or spiderweb slime. Sometimes what I do to get slime off my hands, if I just don't think, I just rub. Like this. And it gets some slime off. Not all of it, but most of it. Works pretty good. Okay, doesn't this look like marshmallows to you guys? It looks like melted marshmallow. Really much. So much. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I just don't think, do I, guys? Okay, so add some activator if your slime is too sticky. Dang it, I got it over my shirt. There we go, that's better. Yep, that's better. That's much better. Okay. Sun's in my eyes. That's what a good slime looks like, guys. So this is what do I say if it's not that? This is a success. A successful slime. I can see those little gold flakes. I might add some more, but yeah, this is a really awesome slime. I call it, actually I don't know what I call it, but comment down below if you know what to name this slime. Bye guys, see you next time on Jocelyn's Fun Corner. See you next time. Bye.